It helps your diaphragm calm down.
I feel like a human pretzel. But hey, it worked. No more hiccups.
Obviously, my scary face weakened the hiccups first. You were welcome.
Sure, Shadow. You can take all the credit.
Okay, viewers, what's the wildest way you stop hiccups? Render it in the comments, and I'll test them in my lab next week. Maybe your idea will be featured in the next episode.
Let's hope they don't involve setting anything on fire.
Or turning into Fun Girl.
Next time we find out if hiccups can power a rocket. Stay tuned.